Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will learn how to use if and or function in Excel together. Okay, so this is the table: employee name, sales, year, is team leader or team lead, or bonus eligibility. So this is bonus eligibility. Okay, so we use if and or function if there is three condition for anything, for any eligibility. Okay, so here I have three eligibility. First is if employee's salary is more than 60,000, he is eligible. And if he or she is available, if he has more than 2 years experience, he is eligible for bonus whether he has 60,000 sale or not. And if he is team lead, then he will be eligible or she will be eligible for the bonus whether he has 60,000 sale or not, whether he has experience for 2 years or not. So these are three conditions for bonus eligibility. So how to use this in formula? So we use if and or function for this condition. Okay, so you equals to if, then bracket open, now type and. Now first condition is he has to have has the sale of more than 60,000. So select the sale option, more than 60,000. Okay, now comma or. Okay, now here we use two conditions. First is this should be more than 2 years, comma, or this should be equals to yes. Okay, then what happened? Now then bracket close. Okay, then what happened? Comma, if this condition apply, here eligible, if he is eligible for the bonus. If this condition not apply, not and not eligible, noted, comma close, bracket close. So now you will see this person Ria is eligible. Now we will just copy this. So like this you can use if and or function in Excel together. Thanks for watching.